How does car air conditioning work? Components and their functions. Car AC system. Components and their functions. Compressor compresses the refrigerant gas, increasing its pressure and temperature to start the cooling cycle. Condenser dissipates heat from the refrigerant gas, condensing it into a high-pressure liquid. Receiver/dryer, or accumulator, removes moisture and filters impurities from the refrigerant to ensure system efficiency. Evaporator absorbs heat from the cabin air as the cold refrigerant passes through it, cooling the air. Blower fan circulates air over the evaporator and into the cabin to cool the interior. How does car air conditioning work? Compression. The compressor compresses low-pressure refrigerant gas into high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Condensation. The condenser cools the gas into a high-pressure liquid by dissipating heat outside the car. Drying. The receiver/dryer removes moisture and filters debris from the refrigerant. Expansion. The expansion valve reduces refrigerant pressure, turning it into a cold, low-pressure liquid. Circulation. The blower fan pushes cooled air into the cabin for comfort.